Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate the 3D shapes for your projects for free. Yes, you don't even need to pay anything or sign in or sign up for anywhere. You can generate infinite free 3D shapes for a project. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser in your device and search for fffuel.co. You can check the spelling over here. Once you're done with it, just simply hit enter and you can see this website will appear right in front of you. Here you need to scroll down until you find that 3D search effect. You need to search for AI generated 3D shapes. You can see right here. Just simply open this, and from here you can see multiple 3D shapes effect are available right in front of you. You can select any of them and you can customize them according to your need, or you can just simply scroll down and find all of your need. All of these are AI generated, so they are fresh and free to use. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.